the MVP play. It wasn't even this map. It was the last one. Oh, it's when I fucking jumped off with 3 of them. That's so fucking troll.
You guys okay if I add Sil to the party?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get him in here. I'm just going to run to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
I don't know which one I prefer. The incognito dolphin or the cuddly puzzlefin. Hold on. Don't want to leak anything.
We should honestly just jump in the like variety of the BCS Discord.
Is Captain there?
It's about to be.
I'm on BCSO, man. LSPD.
It don't matter, man. Just join that
Sorry.
shit.
Sorry, it goes against LSPD. I'm sorry. Can't join. I actually can't join. Apparently, I actually can't. I'm up
There's
to my
no way
server
you
limit.
are part of 100 Discords, dude. This actually, like, what the fuck have you, dude? What,
Bro. Okay, well, let me leave a Discord.
bro? I would hate to.
Just add the person to the call.
That's fine, actually.
Hello.
I got him.
Hello.
I would fucking hate to see your emails, bro.
Bro, I don't even open that.
That's not.
Nah, I'm with Capt on that. I
I mean,
don't.
so am I, but his is just probably like an unreal level, bro.
Oh my god, I'm watching someone's bloody highlight. What is going on?
Why are you watching the highlight?
I don't know. I clicked the button by accident.
I'm ready whenever.
Hold on. I'm a pink dolphin shark. I just back out of all the menus and make sure I don't leak any of my info from swiping, you know? It'd be so unfortunate. Okay, I'm ready.
All right.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I'm gonna try Cap.
What's that oh, wait, is that in the game? Oh, I thought it was my
Well,
fucking that alarm noise. Yeah, what the fuck? I thought it was a fire alarm going outside.
Opening escape capsule.
You have outdoor fire alarms.
Guys, look at me.
Did you buy a skin?
I did. I swiped. Oh, look.
Oh my god.
Wait, let me see. Oh my god.
He's adorable.
Yo.
Look, I have a little. I have a little.
Disgusting.
I have a scrunchie. Look, my little arm.
God.
You know what that's the equivalent of, Cap? That's
What?
like that giant
Battle starts in
pink
Oh, yeah.
fucking
Oh,
thing
yeah,
in Warzone, bro.
Yeah.
1. Don't forget, securing the mission area is your top priority.
Oh, guys, I see him already.
We got company. Needed that boost. Careful. We got a robot in.
Oh, they're in the back line. There's so much fucking movement. Holy fuck.
I'm good to go.
Dude, I'm zooming.
The spider nest is destroyed. I am strengthened for battle.
Be honest.
Ow! I don't
my
even know what
God.
just happened to me.
We got
You're welcome.
stun locked. Scarlet Witch.
Now I got punched to fucking death. Whoever that is, I'm telling you, I want them deleted from this game.
I am
Expeditiously.
Oh, Scarlet Witch is behind us.
Dude, I'm so low. Fuck.
I'm being chased!
Oh, we only have one healer.
Oh, he can't get
I'll
me
send
up
it.
here. Ah, he climbed
I
the
think he
fucking
did.
wall.
I think he did.
Guys, I've done 4,800 healing already. There's a lot.
Enemy in front of us.
Thank you.
I'll be shipshape.
Ow.
Hell no.
I'm being ran down again. Every time. What's happening?
That's he fucking just sent it. When you guys are here, I got my ult. Push it down mid. Aka, come back.
Where is she? Where the fuck?
Together to victory. I'll be shipshape in no time. By the
Did you kill him, Cam?
Prepare to engage. Fast. Race us to victory.
Guys, he's focusing me. This rough. This is so rough.
It's okay, we won the point.
By the eye of our
Fuck the Scarlet Witch, man.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
If y'all see a stream of water and need a heal, step in it, okay? Sometimes I'm in Narnia.
the boost I needed.
Oh, Cap. Speaking of Narnia.
That portal goes far behind them. Not super far. Alright, this is... I was gonna say something really sketch.
I'm opening a portal.
He's so low.
Dude, he's fucking chasing me.
Here, come back, Sock. Come back.
Oh my god, I'm alive.
I'm gonna solo ultimate throw him off the fucking map. I swear.
Oh fuck, there's a lot of them here. Oh no.
Dude, I'm bonking him. Oh my
Let's
god.
go.
Bro. I just turned the corner and saw 9 of them just sitting. What is going on here? That's it. Time for my ults.
Good medicine.
Doctor Strange is one shot.
He's been revived.
Cannot let the darkness consume us.
Oh my lord. He's so weak. He's dead.
He charges me every time.
He's so low.
Yeah, he's dead.
I'm doing this my way.
There's no way I'm just wasting my ult. There's no way I'm wasting my ult.
Oh, I can block it with my shield. It's huge, actually.
Squirrel. He's one shot.
I got him. Nice.
Fuck you, Doctor Strange.
Oh fuck, Iron Fist.
Big.
By the eye of Agamotto.
What is? I'm
Oh,
stuck.
I got stunned.
Oh my god, we are so lucky.
Oh,
Can he-
I'm so far.
Can he die? Oh my god, thank god.
Scarlet Witch is a pain in the ass, man.
This is real firepower. Watch out, the spider's tempting. Here's how you shoot.
Only 60 seconds left.
Heavy, where are you?
I'm getting fucking chased down by the bitch who does everything. I'm eating you guys. I'm eating people. I don't care. Hopefully you heal me. Good luck.
Scarlet Witch is almost dead.
This is just too mobile.
That George guy does not like me.
I unleash the Vishanti's power.
Cap, you're about to get ran down from behind. Look back. Oh, well, you got walled? What?
Stand the point.
Keep fighting until you It's spider time!
Fuck.
Well, you can't expect to win them all.
I was griefed by George.
Who the fuck is George?
Who's George?
George the Joker. That's their name on the other team.
Yeah.
Ran me down every time. Guys, the MVP on our team was a PlayStation player.
That's crazy.
Let me honor everyone.
I mean, they literally look in a direction and they can just shoot. So
Yeah, they just kind of sad.
What? Wait. Is there aim assist on a controller?
yes.
I think there is.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm plugging my on right now. Okay, here we go.
I hope if you play on PC with a controller, you don't get aim assist.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how it
For
works.
choosing.
Normally.
But I'm a controller player.
Oh, really? And how come
Yes,
you haven't
I'm-
been playing with a controller?
You can't. No, you can't. Like,
Okay.
I'm quite unfair with a controller.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
That's I'm being hellier for a fuck Punisher.
I give up.
Are randos going healer? He's not healer anymore. I'm sad.
Oh hell.
Guys, I have a scrunchie.
Still, I'm gonna ride you.
Oh my god.
Wait.
30
jump
seconds
off?
before you attack.
Yeah, you can
Get
jump on
ready.
too. Yeah.
Hey, he's mine, man. Fuck off.
Creature are you?
Oh, wait, hold on, wait.
When you enter my realm,
Okay, that's crazy.
everything.
I'm never coming anywhere near your flock.
Look how early I can use this portal.
Just do it when we spawn and put it behind them.
The battle starts in
Oh,
5,
that's play.
4, 3, 2, 1. Don't forget, securing the mission area.
What
is
the
your top
fuck?
What the fuck just happened?
They did what we were gonna do, except
What
they
the-
put a portal.
That's
they put a portal at our
fucking
exit. and our
hilarious,
fucking
dude.
spawn.
Oh
That's
my.
fucking.
Guys,
There's another exit, guys. There's another.
let's go to the left.
That's
Nah, this-
crazy.
Nah, this is some strats, bro.
That's a fucking.
So good.
That's a fucking Instagram reel strat, dude. What the fuck?
That is definitely. They learned that on TikTok or some shit, bro. What the hell? That's insane.
Turret! Someone scratch my back.
Oh, that
Uh-oh.
throw you?
Oh,
I don't know. I think I just jumped off though.
What am I?
I have someone on a turret.
Yeah, I
The
heard that
turret
one.
needs to get deleted. Guys, I'm on the way.
Healing. Why would I need healing?
I got sniped.
Oh
Hawkeye.
my god.
They have so much fucking bullets. Oh my god.
Whoa! Where did Frank get a gun that big?
I don't know what's happening here, but I'm scared.
Fucking. We're just putting up fucking walls and shit. I can't.
I'm going in. I'm ulting.
I just died by a turret.
I got you.
Judge, jury, execution.
Two of them are behind us. One's dead.
We are undefeatable. Double
Oh my god. Fucking Punisher's minigun.
Just wall his ass off.
I'm
I have my ult. Curvy.
Help get that
If I
vehicle to
I
its
can throw my ult,
destination.
pull them all in together, and then you can ult them all.
Say less. Oh, it's down there right now.
don't mind me. I'm just dying.
I get fucking hit from somewhere. I don't know where.
Eye of Agamotto.
Oh, I'm cut off from everyone. Oh no. It's fucking ult. What's he doing?
Ooh, I got deleted. Son, thank you for the raid. I hope you had a wonderful
Anybody
stream.
else have an AOE ult? 'Cause I
Hope
can
all
drop
is
mine
well.
and pull them all in right now.
Nah.
A feast for my crows.
I don't
Yeah, that's ulting, I
have
think.
mine yet, but
Let's fuck him up, Sal. I'm on your sh.
Keep going.
Never mind, I'm dead.
Undefeatable.
I unleash the Vishanti.
Got 3 of them. Going for the edge of the map.
Hulk's behind.
Got him.
Double KO.
We got him isolated.
Almost there. Hey, Teeny, enjoy the amplifier. Groot with a big win. I'll patch you up.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Getting on that way back. I am strengthened.
Behind us.
Enemy in front of us. Turn around. Judge, jury, executioner. You're welcome.
Yeah, you crazy? You crazy?
Spider Zero must reach the Budokan. This is our duty.
Reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
I'm exiled.
How come I don't have a turret mode?
Hulk.
By the eye of Agamotto.
We are undefeatable.
There's so much shit happening.
I'm gonna put a portal behind them.
Now get me a portal next to the edge of the map. My ult's up. I'll eat them all. Just jump right in.
Genius.
I don't know where to set it up from.
Uh-oh.
Ow. I'm nearly dead. I'm dead. What killed me?
I'm gonna do it down here.
Does it go to the edge of the map?
It's about to.
Let me know when.
Yeah, it's good. It's ready.
Going in. I don't see them. I got 2 of them. Yoink! No, they didn't go in! They didn't go in!
Oh no.
We're learning. It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Being fucking
He's
bullied.
smashing it.
Hulk's cut off. Fucking Christ, dude. That's a play for a wall. Okay.
Blame Fujikawa for the bad stuff.
We are undefeatable.
By the eye of Agamotto. Judge, jury, executioner.
Oh, I got deleted. Oh, my ult's almost... My ult's up. Done 16,500 healing so far.
37,000 damage.
Oh, I'm fine. Don't mind me. It's like shooting squids.
These fucking turrets, dude. I almost have my ult. Do you have yours, Kirby?
I do.
Okay. I'm gonna try and pull them all in for you. You ready?
Yep.
And now. Oh, I'm
Oh.
inside. I got you.
I'm hulking out. Okay, who ordered the calamari?
did.
Denizens of the deep. That is much better. Oh, I'm fine. Don't mind me.
Up his ass. Jump his ass. Fuck. They jumped my ass.
Yeah, that I think we're the only ones there.
I am strengthened for battle. Science and magic come. Judge, jury, executioner!
The final 10 seconds.
By the eye of Agamotto!
All their fucking ults.
Yep, that's a rip.
Charge! Fire!
Damn. It was like inches away from that shit too.
Was this
Don't
the
get
starting?
got.
It's probably the start, yeah.
Yeah.
Cap, you popped off. I see the damage. I see the kills.
Huge.
Thank you. Wait, did we win or lose?
You lost.
Bro,
Oh.
What the fuck?
I did 21,000
this
healing.
is the
Holy
shit I'm
fuck.
talking about, man.
You did 21,000 healing.
Yes.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy.
I still did fucking like
I did
50,000.
14,000.
Dude, I blocked 50,000 damage.
Oh my god.
But I just kept putting my walls up in front of fucking Punisher, and his turrets just laid into him.
Well, hold on. Whoa. Cap, don't you play Punisher?
I changed it mid game.
I know, but like typically, aren't you playing Punisher?
Yeah.
How come I'm hearing about turrets? I ain't never seen a turret from you.
Yeah, I just
his,
kind
his
of.
turrets is like fucking chambers tripwires. Like, yeah, bro. he knows he has it. He's just never gonna use that shit.
How do I ping him this game? How do I ping him? Question mark.
Middle mouse.
Middle
No,
mouse.
question mark. Like League.
Oh.
And I got a couple more. Let's
Do it in voice chat.
One or two.
I actually had a lot of fun with Groot that time, just fucking throwing up walls and shit, man.
Hmm.
It me, the shark.
Their team just had so much like ranged damage, and it was fucking pain in the ass.
No one escapes the inevitable.
I don't care. No mutant shall ever end up in your domain again.
It'll probably be yeah. If you hold middle mouse, Curvy, then you can pick between 4 different pings. Figure out one of them that might be
Battle starts in 5.
the best for a question mark ping. Probably the run one. I think this would be the best question mark.
Don't forget, securing the mission area is your top priority.
It seems extinction is on the agenda once again. How predictable. Oh, I'm fine. Don't mind me. It seems we have company.
There's one behind.
My thanks.
He's dead. He's bad.
Squirrel girl.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
closer.
Too much, too much, too much, too much. I have my ult up. Curvy, do you have yours?
I'm dead. No, my ult's down.
Much better. Krakoa is at your service, my friends.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Gather to the heart tends to end things.
My ult's up.
So once they're back, I can ult them all together through your ult.
So do you pull them into you?
Yeah, I pull them. I pull them into a location. It's like
Oh, the edge of the map is to our right.
What's to our right? What's that?
The edge of the map where I can throw them off.
Put this here. That's what Hawkeye did.
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up
Ow.
the momentum.
Oh, above us?
Okay, I can pull them all in here. You ready?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Oh. I didn't hear any, like, noise. I don't know what that was. Oh.
Come back, Sale, come back.
You use your ult there, right? Does Groot not have, like, a loud voice line like everyone else?
No, it's just I am Groot, man.
I didn't even hear it.
Yeah,
The least.
shark.
Approach this site with caution.
I ran
Gotta go back.
Hawkeye down.
I'm kind of fucking going crazy, guys. I could.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way.
They shall not escape our wrath.
Poor Jeff.
So close. This is your big chance.
Never miss.
That was fucking easy.
Nope.
Oh,
My ult had just come up.
I didn't die once. That was easy.
I was 16-0.
Okay, never mind.
Dude, I was fucking popping off.
Groot.
I went crazy. What the fuck? This was my highlight. It was the
Wait,
ult.
Archon, were you the guy who kicks everyone and
Yeah.
beats them down?
Mm-hmm.
How was it?
It was nice. It's pretty simple. Kind
Oh,
of like the opposite of how I like to play though, because I just want to be up in everybody's face at all times. Really, but you gotta kind of.
What? No. Every one of them that's on the other team is always up in my face. They're never not in my face. I wall climbed and I was like, he won't get me here. He wall climbed. I don't know how. He kicked me all the way up the wall.
I'm saying I just like want to be like at the fort, like the front line, not
Yeah.
like this just like rat going around. This fucking
yeah, Curvy, that ult play would have worked, but I had just killed them all before your ult went off.
Guys, I'm gonna play Hawkeye.
Okay.
So let's hope the rando goes healer.
Pick your hero or villain. I'm not judging.
Kind of feel
Once
like
an
playing
Avenger,
Doctor Strange.
Always an Avenger.
I want to give the portals a go.
Wait, I've been wanting to play Moon Knight.
Capt, how's your Hawkeye game? I don't remember you saying anything. Getting dono walled?
I actually don't know. It's crazy.
Capt?
I'm I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
How was your Hawkeye game?
Anybody can shoot a gun.
Lost in 30
Bow.
seconds.
Now,
Watching it.
that takes skill.
Wow.
Bro, I went back on Punisher
30
after.
seconds before you attack.
Yeah.
Get
It
ready.
wasn't. Oh!
Time to drain.
What is this thing?
What the hell?
I don't know what you're. You know what?
What?
Never mind. Just bite the
No, I
back.
Are you
pressed the
discovering melee for the first time?
No, I pressed the button and they went like black and white, and then oh look, I done it again. Press B.
Oh, that's where you see the destructibles.
4,
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick.
hell?
Hold on, guys. Wait, I'm gonna put portal down.
capture the
I don't know how to do it.
Got it?
I'm doing
Send
it.
us off the map.
I think I'm pretty relatable compared to Namor or someone like that.
I think it's easier to do when you're the defending side than
Okay, I'm doing it. Go, go, go. Wait, nobody's here. That's crazy.
Back guys.
Okay, I'm here.
I'm being ran down.
Almost too late.
Honestly, that's what you
Is
get.
that my arrow? Nowhere to hide.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
I can't believe nobody stayed for my portal.
I stayed for your portal.
Thank you, Sil.
Oh, fuck.
No way you took Jeff from Shark Lord 678.
It's me again.
That's
Oh my god.
wild.
That is
I was like one of the last people to fucking pick.
I
I
think-
can't complain.
I think someone else was in the game and I got cycled in after.
Broke the turret. Punisher is mobile again. Punching a hole.
Ancient One, I hope my successes make you proud. Our enemies are near.
You had to know I'd be back.
Double KO.
Sonic boom.
Advantage gained in the material plane.
I'm whipping this bitch to death. My god.
I'm being revived? Sick.
Another one for the good guys.
See there? The sniper.
Punching a hole. Needed that boost.
Scum scraped off.
They're behind us on the right.
I want that gun.
Making the cut.
I think Scarlet Witches are behind, yeah.
Fucking
did.
hurt.
Red dot. Red dot.
Enemy in front of us.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
I have no health.
Yeah, I'm dead.
They're trying to run me down.
What the hell was Shark Lord, man?
Almost too late.
Tremble before blast!
Broke the turret. Punisher is mobile again. Never miss.
That's a fucking claw. What the fuck?
All you want. Just aim where you were.
Control seized. The area's almost yours.
Nice, sir.
Little bush.
Sonic boom.
The Black Panther on point.
I try to keep them back for as long as I could.
Easy.
It was tunnel visioning, but with reason. There is reason.
I never miss. I can't miss.
Collecting cosmic energy.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Hey, I like your firearms. Never thought I'd find someone with the same taste on this backward planet.
Yeah. What do you got in the trash can?
Let's see. Ion turret, photon reactor.
Guys, wait for my portal this time, okay?
Okay.
It's gonna be big, yeah.
2, 1.
Okay, wait.
All you need to do is capture the mission area.
Hey,
Got
stay.
it?
2 seconds.
Cap.
This place could make me believe in magic.
Holy fuck.
Okay. I'm gonna bring us right here.
I don't
Let's
know
go.
where the fuck that is, but
Oh, this is sick. Where are we?
We're on the-
I don't know where they are, but we're here.
Oh, it's the portal.
Well, they're behind
What
us.
the? Okay, I just died. Okay, this might have been the worst thing I've seen.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. I am ready to put on a show.
Shanti's power.
whoever that was getting healed a lot.
Still breathing, still fighting.
You guys, where'd my portal go?
Nowhere to hide. Happy to pitch in.
Cosmic Yard Amplifier, ready to be deployed.
Heads up, back guys.
Hey, T!
Needed that boost. Yeah, I earned that one. Punching a hole. You look like you could use a hand.
Double KO.
Point should be
Mission's
clear.
Capture progress has passed the halfway point. Control C.
Sonic boom.
Advantage gained in the material plane.
Kill this panther guy.
By the eye of Agamotto.
Fuck.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I'm getting focused. Ooh.
You're welcome.
Oops.
Nowhere to hide. Can't hide
Uh-oh.
from this just with the doctor
Charlotte, witch
ordered.
jump high.
Control lost.
You're so
Fuck.
far from me.
Just what I needed.
It's me again.
Oh, they have to be in my view?
Be careful here.
Where are they?
More bad
They've almost got it.
I'm in good shape now. Woo! I never miss.
Tremble before fast.
Can't dodge this
Iron
one.
Fist behind.
Knows where you've been.
Double KO.
Why does he take so much damage?
My arrow.
Who?
There's a lot of stuff in his kit
Iron
that,
Fist.
like, there's a lot of stuff in his kit that heals him and like gives him like
Oh, okay.
mitigation and stuff.
Control C.
Now we just gotta hold this the entire time and we win. We got ults.
Oops, I did not mean to do that.
So much. I'm doing this my way.
Sonic boom.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Had a Morlock some point.
Nice shooting, boy.
Dead as hell.
Come to me. Let's hold on the stairs.
You're too loud.
Nice.
Where? Oh, you're over here. Oh. They're on the other side.
Behind.
I'm dead. Kill that fucking
Where the
shark.
fuck are they?
Kill that shark.
On point.
Where's he?
You're welcome.
Needed that boost.
The area's almost yours.
Punching a hole. Turret, take cover.
Oh,
Charlotte, which
turret.
is behind. Which is dead, I think.
Shutting you down, Frankie.
Nice.
Even I think you're crazy, Castle.
You're too loud.
Double KO.
Oh, I got eaten. Thank you.
Nowhere to hide.
Keep fighting until we have a winner. That's 3.
Not gonna lie, I fucking deleted them there at the end. Holy fuck.
Ow.
I popped off. I just started
Oh, yeah.
hitting fucking
Good
foreheads.
Shit. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. MVP.
Another epic victory.
To who? Let's find out.
And it's two.
Oh.
She really enjoyed playing Moon Knight. It's a lot of fun.
Anyone get an honor from Shark Lord yet?
Nope.
Kind of weird that the console players don't be giving us a thumbs up.
It is pretty odd.
You know what? I like their name. I got one more in me.
Yeah, I was about to say that as well. So 100%.
LG.
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 Yeah, LG.
What the hell? Guys, come on. We need to
You'll
get,
need
we
a
need to get,
top-notch team to
get
win
ranked
this
up
one.
here.
Once
Get
an
ranked. You know we
adventure,
haven't played
this
ranked,
game for like
right?
almost 6 hours, bro.
No, but I meant like ranked to get ranked. Level 10.
Yeah, we're almost there. We're like level 9.
Chat, what are some words that have, or that end in an L that we can have Cap say? Cap, can you say funnel?
To be a superhero, gotta be an optimist.
Funnel.
Asgard has been invaded yet
No,
again.
funnel,
Shit
not
makes no
funno.
sense, bro.
Get ready.
Funnel. Funnel.
You and me, Spectre.
I'm saying it right, no?
You're saying funno, like, you know how Australians end everything in an O?
You cannot save the Indus.
Fun. Oh.
Save yourself.
Oh.
They got who's that?
Yo, sock. Say funnel.
Mantis.
Oh no.
The battle starts in 5.
Punisher. There's a Punisher turret over
3,
on the bridge
2,
directly to the left as soon as you go outside.
Just with the
Vehicle to its destination.
out of there, Frank.
Castle went down fighting. Stop the killing tree. Go.
Why do I miss the simplest of shots and hit the dumbest ones? Oh, someone's in melee range just beating us down.
Ease down. Just in time. Thanks. Will help.
We are done when I say we're done. Sonic boom! Nice shooting, Martin. Surrender your strength. Operation Stop That Tapping. Sonic boom!
Get his ass. Oh, get his ass.
Just what the doctor ordered. Look behind, look behind.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
My game's screwed. My game's crashed.
Ooh.
I'm still breathing, still fighting. Is that all you got?
We are undefeatable. Keep up the momentum.
Sonic, think about what you did, Castle.
That hurt.
Sorry, you chose the.
Got some unfinished business.
Doctor Strange is gone? How? Please, we're hurt.
Where's everybody?
Revenge.
Fucking relaunched the game.
Punching a hole.
Double KO.
Needed that boost. Operation Stop That Tapping is underway. Nowhere to hide. Woo! I never miss. Can't touch this one. It knows where you've been.
Double KO.
Please give me a challenge.
Got it, bit.
Sonic boom. Hack and slash.
Heads up, hostiles.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Smash, big fella. Just what the doctor ordered.
Leave behind.
Yeah, I earned that one.
Fucking dead.
I think so.
Nowhere to hide. Assemble! Nowhere to hide. Needed that boost.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Ow. Yeah, I ran down.
Nice, big.
We are done when I say we're done.
The vehicle
Nice.
reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum. We are undefeatable. Against the world.
Spider-Man. Not Spider-Man. Venom.
I'm opening a portal.
Punching a hole.
Open a portal behind them.
I'm in good shape now.
Keep your balance, you two. Stay in control.
I got your back. On your toes. Here they come. Fight me.
Dude, I jumped in the portal, circled around it, jumped back in.
Just what the doctor ordered. Sonic boom.
Vaulting.
I never miss.
Oh, Scarlet Witch.
That's it. Don't let anything
I
stand.
hate to see it.
Hey, you look like you could use a hand.
We must and shall save the world.
Oh! They were mid-jump, just domed. Holy fuck. That was a sick shot. That poor sad soul.
Big chance.
I'm doing this my way. On your toes. Here they come.
Easy.
Big.
I have to be MVP. Like I have to be.
I believe in you.
Come on, sure.
Ginger Ninja.
So,
You got
The
done by
random.
Ginger Ninja, man.
Nah, just
no
Ginger
way.
Ninja.
There's
Ginger
no way.
Ninja 11.
There is no way.
they were our healer, by the way.
How? Did they get that much?
Oh, and they're
Okay,
also
holy shit.
they're also
I'm
on
gonna watch-
Xbox.
I'm gonna watch my own highlight. It's fine.
I'm gonna watch your highlight too. Don't
They had
worry.
93% accuracy. It's crazy.
Yeah, look at my highlight. It's just so, look at this.
In fucking Narnia as usual. He put down a turret. He took a seat, and he's gunning everyone down from behind. They don't even realize because who would actually be there other than Cat?
Exactly. Then this guy, I don't know what the hell. I don't know what's going on with this guy, but
You thought?
It keeps going. It keeps going.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Oh. This is a long ass highlight. What
We
the
were
fuck?
fucking having a hell of a fight up on that fucking.
This is the whole fucking game.
We were
game.
Holy fuck, dude! This highlight lasts forever. What the fuck? My highlight. My highlight was the exact same fucking play, just my perspective of it.
Well, then what was mine? What the hell?
Yeah, my highlight was the exact same thing as fucking.
That's when I
Cap,
ulted.
except just my perspective of like everything that was going on.
Never miss.
I must say this game is very fun.
Knows where you've been.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, I think it's especially fun with friends.
Please give me a chance.
Yeah, I don't think you can really solo queue this type of game.
Nah, you can.
You can,
just won't
but
win.
Yeah.
Confirmed. Okay, maybe I got one more in me.
Yeah, one more. Come on.
Yeah, one more.
Confirmed last one. I'm not. Nah, last one. Actually, last.
Yeah,
I'm
one more,
leaving
one more, one
after.
more.
Somebody drop.
Requeued?
Yeah, I disconnected. I crashed, so I need to
Oh yeah.
be reinvited to the party. My game crash. I need a new invite.
Who has you added? There we go.
You. I should just add all you guys real quick. There you go.
What is this?
The right heroes could make all the difference.
Guys, it's me, Jeff.
Hello, Yef.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
I am no sorcerer. I am a goddess.
Lead the way.
One day when you enter
You're on Dewey.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Where the fuck is our Doctor Strange?
The Sanctum Sanctorum is my refuge, my
He
fortress.
threw a portal off the map.
He did two portals, but it didn't go very well.
Yeah, he fucked it up. I think.